boys and girls of grade 5. I am your English teacher, Miss Benjamin, and welcome to today's lesson on pronouns. I'm sure you have heard the word pronouns before at grade 1, 2, 3, and 4. So let's recap. What is a pronoun? A pronoun is a word that takes the place of a noun. It replaces nouns. I'm sure you remember words such as he, she, we, us, and them. But let's take a closer look at pronouns. Today, we will be going into personal pronouns. A personal pronoun is a pronoun that refers to a particular person, animal, place, or thing. They, however, change because of different genders, numbers, cases, and persons speaking. Personal pronouns includes words such as I, you, he, she, it, me, him, and her. From the pronouns listed, we can identify masculine pronouns and feminine pronouns. Boys and girls, if we're speaking about Mark, which pronoun listed will we use? Let me give you a chance to answer that correctly. I'm sure you said he, and that is correct. Also, if we're referring to Samantha, we will definitely use the pronoun she. Personal pronouns also include you, we, they, us, and them. Those pronouns are plural pronouns when we are speaking of more than one person. Remember, our definition of pronouns says that pronouns replaces nouns. So let's make an attempt to replace nouns with suitable pronouns. In the exercise, our first sentence says, the pilot said that the pilot made a forced landing. Boys and girls, which word do we use to replace the noun the pilot? Let's look back at our list of personal pronouns to choose a suitable answer. I am sure you said he. If you did, give yourself an applause. So the new sentence should say, the pilot said that he made a forced landing. Our next sentence is, the sister ordered the nurses to report to the sister when the nurses went off duty. Lots of repetition. So we need to replace the nouns, the sister and the nurses. Let's take a look once again at that list to choose our correct answers. We should replace the sister with her and the nurses with they. Our new sentence should read, the sister ordered the nurses to report to her when they went off to duty. Number 3, do not touch the bowl. What word can we use to replace the bowl? Let's look at our list once again to choose the suitable pronoun that may replace the bowl. Definitely, boys and girls, the suitable pronoun is it. So our new sentence is, do not touch it. Number 4, Celine and I were searching for the dog. We need a suitable pronoun to replace Celine and I. Take your time as you look through the list for a suitable pronoun. Remember, boys and girls, Celine and I refers to plural pronouns. Our new sentence should read, we were searching for the dog. Excellent job, boys and girls. We are now ready to move on to our types of personal pronouns. Personal pronouns may either be subject or object. Sometimes they're called objective pronouns or subjective pronouns. They refer to the form and function that the pronoun serves in a sentence. For example, he is ill. Our pronoun is he. He functions to tell us who we are referring to in the sentence. Our second example is, where is Michael? Everyone is looking for him. The pronoun in that sentence is him, and it tells us who we are looking for. So, he is subject pronoun, while him is an object pronoun. Let's take a look at the list of subject pronouns and object pronouns. Boys and girls, you must know this list by heart. Our object pronouns are me, you, him, her, it, us, and them. Let's try to use these pronouns correctly. We will choose the correct pronoun from the brackets so that we can complete the following sentences. The first sentence reads, something invited the ministers to the party. Do we choose them invited the ministers to the party or they invited the ministers to the party? Our correct answer is they invited the ministers to the party. Boys and girls, them, they. They is a subject pronoun. The next question is, something shoes fell off something foot while running. Our options are she and her. Let's take a minute to get our correct answers. Remember to look at your list of subject and object pronouns. The answer is, her shoes fell off her foot while running. We used two objective pronouns in that sentence. Next, can you bring something to newspaper? Do we use me or I? The correct answer is, can you bring me to newspaper? Next question. Find George and tell something, dinner's ready. Do we use he or him? We should be using an object pronoun. So our new sentence is, find George and tell him dinner's ready. Next question. Hello, Sam. Are something going to the swimming pool? Do we use the object pronoun him or you? Let's take some time to get the correct answer. We should have, "Hello, Sam. Are you going to the swimming pool?" Finally, Barbara promised that something would phone this evening. Do we use subject pronoun she or object pronoun her? Remember, our answer depends on the function of the pronoun in our sentence. I'm sure you chose she. So your new sentence should read, Barbara promised that she would phone this evening. Excellent job, boys and girls. You now understand how we use subject and object pronouns. So boys and girls, let's recap. Remember, a pronoun is a word that takes the place of a noun. A personal pronoun is a pronoun that refers to a person, animal, place, or thing. Personal pronouns differ based on their number, gender, or case. Let's look again at the list of personal pronouns. Remember, I, you, he, and she are singular pronouns, while we, us, they, and them are plural pronouns. Further, personal pronouns are split into two groups. They may be objective or subjective. Remember to learn that list by heart. Okay, boys and girls, this brings us to the end of today's lesson on pronouns. I hope you've learned something new. Be sure to revise and do practice exercises on how you can use your pronouns correctly. Until next time, I am your English teacher, Miss Benjamin. Be safe. See you in the next class.